So, hello everyone. This is the review for the new Oxygen OS port, which is released 2 days ago. So, I have using this from last 2 days, and now I'm sharing what I experienced with this port. So, let's start with new features and what we got in this port. So, I'm not talking about all basic features which already available in every ROM. So, I'm just telling which new features we are got in this ROM. So, just move further. So first go into display section. So in display, ambient display is not fully working, but only for it's working for new notifications. So yeah, so this is the problem in this round. So night mode and every that daily uses features like reading mode all are working fine. So in status bar we are getting this many different features. So yes, I don't like the battery percentage bar, so I'm not using it. So but it's working in this board. So actually this is very basic, but yeah. So in customization section we are getting this a lot of features which Oxygen OS provide, like icon shape and fonts and gradient clock styles. So this is all available in Oxygen OS port. So to move further, there are some gestures and button features. So these are typically available in every Oxygen OS. So all are working good. So in security section we are getting face lock, fingerprint and screen lock basically. So I'm not using face lock, but I tried it. It's really fast than Realme UI. So in battery section, battery backup is really good. Like we are getting 6 to 9 hours of screen on time, depends on our uses. So these are my uses. So on the first run I am getting 7 hours and 18 minutes and still 14% battery is left. On second cycle I have charged full phone. So in second cycle I have get almost 8.30 minutes of screen on time, which is really good, and still some battery is left in my phone. So in utility section there are some features which are available. These are not available in any other ROMs like app lock and quick replay. So this are special features. So this is the base menu. So where I am using the Bublu's Kharami kernel. So moving further, now go into security lock screen. There are system updates which are available in latest like 1 July. So other than this, let's review the gaming performance of this ROM. So let's first, I'm showing you what modules I am using in Magix. So move to the Magix. So basically Magix, I'm using 2.30, which is recommended for this ROM. So I am using this Adreno 600 series OpenGL Vulkan drivers and Magnetar modules. So these two modules I am using because for the better gaming experience. So let's move to the gaming performance test. So I am playing now PUBG Mobile. So I only have this game, so I am testing this. Let's start. It takes time to launch. So I'm not good in the gaming, but yeah, I'm reviewing this ROM, so I have to play. So just leave it if I'm not playing good. It's compiling resourcing, so it's taking time. I'm not playing game that much, but yeah, somehow know how to play. So finally game is starting. Let's cut this. So firstly I am showing you what setting I am using. So in the graphics setting I am using balance and extreme, which on colorful. So I am disabling shadow, which I don't know, I don't like basically, so I don't use that. So just start arena match, team deathmatch. So finally match is started. This is really smooth. So I'm changing my gun to Groza. So yeah, let's play. So my overall experience is very smooth. So no more frame drops. Like I'm getting almost more than 50 fps, like more than 55, almost close to 60. So gaming experience is very nice. And you guys, so I just dropped 3 to 4% on my only one match, so that's good. So overall my experience in this ROM is very smooth, and I think this is the better than Realme UI. So my experience with this is very good, so I'm like this ROM very much. So yeah, that's it. Battery backup is also good, and everything is working fine in this ROM. Only ambient display is not working, and you have to change the kernel for you using the double tap to wake feature. For using double tap to wake features, rather than this, everything is fine and really smooth this ROM. So you can use this ROM as a daily driver, your daily driver. So yeah, really good work from the developers. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and like, subscribe if you like this video.